Planes. Have you ever watched a plane fly over and wondered how on earth it can soar through the clouds so effortlessly? I always feel amazed when I see that giant double-decker plane, the incredible A380. It weighs nearly 600 tons, as much as a small ship, and yet it can fly. A plane's wing is basically an air deflector. The wing pushes air down and, in return, the air pushes the wing up. So, the A380 can stay 12,000 meters above the Earth because it is constantly pushing air down. This is called lift, one of the 4 things a plane needs to fly. Think of a tiny plane, such as the single-engine, 4-seater Cessna 172. It weighs just over a ton, that's 1/600th the size of the A380. When it's flying at 220 km per hour, its wings are pushing about 5 tons of air per second down towards the ground. The A380 would need to push down a lot more air than that to stay in the sky. But how does it work? Imagine you're in a swimming pool, and you're moving a table tennis paddle horizontally through the water. Now, if you tilt the paddle upwards a little at the front as you move it along, the paddle tries to rise towards the surface. This is the same effect that the air has on a plane's wing. On large passenger jets, like the ones you might have traveled in on a holiday, the wings are joined onto the plane's long body at an angle of about 5 to 10 degrees, tilting upwards at the front. Just like the paddle, this causes the plane to rise up, and stay up, high in the sky. The 3 other elements needed for a plane to fly are weight, thrust and drag. The plane stays balanced in flight because of how the weight is distributed. You don't want the plane to be nose heavy or tail heavy. Thrust is the force that moves the plane forward. Propellers or jet engines produce the thrust, just like a smaller engine propels a car forward. Drag slows the plane. You can feel drag when you walk against a strong wind. Planes are designed to let air pass around them with minimal drag, so that they can travel forwards with ease. A plane flies when all 4 forces, lift, weight, thrust and drag, work together. Did you know? A plane's ability to fly can be explained through a scientific theory called Newton's third law of motion. This law states that for every action, there is an equal, but opposite, reaction. Did you know? You can earn over $1 million for solving a maths problem. The Clay Mathematics Institute in the USA has 7 problems up on their website. One of them deals with how air flows, yep, something that we still don't completely understand. Did you know? In 1640, a physicist by the name of Evangelista Torricelli discovered that air has weight. At sea level, 1 cubic meter air weighs about 1.25 kilograms.